Hey everyone, welcome to this week's edition of Tactical Tips. Hey Jeff, the tactical tip this week is going to make everybody hopefully not afraid, but hopefully make more money, right?
Yeah, we're going to bring you guys a tactical tip from this week's episode. It's the best kind of 60 seconds from our podcast this week. And as always, this is brought to you by Neo. Neo is a great underwriting tool. If you're in the buy here, pay here space and you're not using some sort of an underwriting tool, I would definitely recommend you guys look at Neo. It formalizes the process, it streamlines your application process, and it gives you impartial scoring, right? It doesn't matter if your underwriter's feeling good that day or if you're in a good mood or a bad mood. It's impartial.
It's impartial, and you probably can throw away your CRM. It's got such great back-end reporting. We're just diving into that now. It's something that's going to save you money. It's going to make you money. And you need to be using it anyway. So check out Neo and then check out this week's tactical tip.
You track where you are, you know where you stand, you're very clear about what your goals are, you're very consistent. I mean, I have, in my shop, every tech has a computer. Even the lab techs have a computer where they can see where they are. And I have people that never touch a computer in their life, and now they're actually updating notes in the system in the ROs. And that's through having a clear process and being very consistent. And if you know what your culture is, you stay on those two items and it just works. I mean, it's just like driving, you don't think about driving, you just drive. So we just have very consistent systems and we just repeat them. So it's just by memory. And that's how when somebody shows up, it takes, usually about, you met the parts lady there. Mm-hmm. She just had started and it looked like she knew what she was doing already.